Ms. Darinne Ko said on day 2 of the Sex for Grades trial that part of her statements to the CPIB were coerced. The 23-year-old law graduate said this when she was asked to address certain inconsistencies between the CPIB statements and court testimonies. Law professor Tey Tsun Hang is charged for corruptly obtaining sex and gifts from Ms. Ko when he was a professor at the National University of Singapore. Ms. Ko is the key prosecution witness in the case, but she was impeached towards the end of Friday's hearing. Deputy Public Prosecutor Andre Jumaboy pointed out that on day 1 of the trial, when Ms. Ko was asked about her level of interaction with Tey when she took his equity and trust class in 2010, she said, "Not that much initially. Subsequently, he would call more on people who did his tutorials, and I was one of those, so a little bit more." But in her CPIB statements, she said, "I realized he liked to call on me." The DPP also challenged Ms. Ko about her statements on the $740 Mont Blanc pen that she gave Tey. In court, she said she bought it for him as a belated birthday gift and she liked him. She said Tey had told her that he lost his fountain pen and she suggested that he get a Mont Blanc. His response was he doesn't really like going shopping. Ms. Ko added that Tey had in no way insinuated that he needed a pen from her. Her CPIB statements, however, did not indicate that she had gotten the pen as a birthday gift. And when she recommended Mont Blanc to Tey and gave him the shop address in Raffles City, Tey's response was, "I don't know how to go there." DPP challenged that Raffles City is not hard to miss, especially for a person like Tey, who had worked at the nearby Supreme Court. Ms. Ko replied that what she had told the CPIB officer was Tey does not go to such places and does not know how to go there. She also said that she told the recording officer he did not ask me to get for him, but her statement was recorded as, "I did not tell him that I would get the pen for him." Ms. Ko was picked up from her house by 2 CPIB officers at 6:30 a.m. on April 2, 2012, a week before her exam. She said in court, "During the course of the day, while I was being interrogated, I was asked about the various gifts I had given to Professor Tey. However, they did not believe the reasons I provided behind giving those gifts. I repeatedly told them throughout the course of the day that they were based on my affection for him." Ms. Ko said that at 7 p.m. on April 2, 2012, recording officer Peng Chen Chen told Ms. Ko to meet her boss. After that, she helped Ms. Ko type out her oral statements. Ms. Ko alleged that the CPIB officers were willing to record only some of her statements, like how she had a crush on Tey. But in relation to the gifts, Chen Chen, the recording officer, has received specific orders to record it within the parameters of my agreement with the boss. The Sex for Grades trial is adjourned to January 14. Stay tuned with us for more updates.